Hello all, welcome to my channel. I am Rajivpujala. In this video, let's see how to record the macros and how to use those recorded macros again and again. For example, let's start with a formula here. So the formula over here is that in the column C, I mentioned like formula. Okay, let's assume that there's a task that you want to apply the formula on every day, and instead of applying the formula manually, you wanted to use the app script macros. So let's look at this one. If the age is greater than or equal to 32, you have to mention that the person is eligible. If the age is less than 32, the person is not eligible. So is equal to if this one greater than or equal to 32, um, I would like to have eligible or else not eligible. This is simple formula, right? And then, so click on this one, it has applied for all the values. Now let's do the same using app script macros. I'm deleting the formula over here. So let's click on extensions. Now you can see an option called macros over here, and there is something called record macro. Let's click on this record macro, and now it is recording. Okay, and now let's go to here. Let's click on this C cell is equal to if this one, I'm just writing the formula, is equal greater than equal to 32, eligible or not eligible, right? This one, and I'm clicking on tick button over here. It is fine. Or else what you can do, you can click on the B column, go to the last cell, come to here, click control shift up, and let's not select the first header until here, click on control D. It will also do the same action. And now this is done, and click on any cell over here, click on save. I'm naming this macro as formulas. Okay, let's click on, if in case if you want to give a shortcut for this one, I will explain this in the later video. Let's click on okay, if you want to apply the formulas, for example, I'm using the MacBook, that's the reason it is showing command option shift and any number. I'm giving right now the number as 1, and let's click on save. Okay, the macro is getting saved. Okay, the macro is saved. Click on edit script. It will take you to the macro. Okay, here is the formulas, and let's rename this as a formulas, right? So here is a code. It automatically generated. See how comfortable this one. You just recorded the one without writing any code, and it has given everything. And now let's go back to here. Let's delete the data from here. Let's see how we can reapply. So I'm using the MacBook, so I have to click on command option shift and 1 for the same for the macro to run automatically. So I'm running from my system command option shift and 1. The script is running, and it has updated this one. Oh, this is really cool. Okay, and for example, if the cursor is here, let's see how it goes on. Okay, command option shift and 1. And yep, oh my god, this is really good actually. Now, okay, we are the sheet 1 and we have the data in the sheet 1. Let's assume that, let's go to sheet 4. This is another sheet. So let's run the same option here, command option shift and 1. Why it is updating in the sheet 4 and why it is not doing in the sheet 1? When we record the macro, sheet 1 is the active sheet, right? But when we record the macro, when we try to run the macro from sheet 4 also, it is running. So there is a bug which we really have to look at. Let's go into the app script and let's look at the function. Okay, here spreadsheet, and if look at here, there is nothing called sheet 1. That's the reason it's not able to get it. So if you already have watched my previous videos, by this time you would get to know like what exactly you have to do. You have to access the spreadsheet first, and then you have to access the sheet. Okay, that's cool. So I'm commenting this one, I'm deleting commenting this one. So we will make few tweaks. Variable spreadsheet is equal to spreadsheet dot get active spreadsheet. Okay, and I want to go to sheet. Variable sheet is equal to spreadsheet dot get sheet by name sheet 1. Cool, right? And now wherever it is like spreadsheet here, right, I'm gonna replace that with the sheet, not the spreadsheet app, just this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, this one, this one, this one. You really don't have to learn anything in this code. It is automatically generated by the generated macros, the recorded macros. Let's run this one. And now, I mean, you can directly, run from here, this one, or else we already have assigned a shortcut code. Let's go to here. Let's delete the data. Let's click on Command Option Shift 1. If I'm using a MacBook, in case if you're using the Excel, Microsoft Excel, the options are like Control Shift 1 or something. 1. Okay, we are in the sheet 1. Yeah, it worked fine. Now let's go into the sheet 4. Let's run the same over here. Let's see it will happen or it will work out. No. So it came back to sheet 1, it updated the formula over here, and it didn't apply in the sheet 4. So for example, let's delete the data here. We are in sheet 5 and we want to run this one, Command Option Shift and 1. And again, it didn't update anything in the sheet 5, it updated in the sheet 1. This is how you can record the macros, and after a customized tune you can able to reuse the macro recorded macros again and again in a specific sheet. Thank you for watching my video. If you are comfortable and very much happy with my videos, please do subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.